Caregiving is a unique skill set and not everyone is born with this inherently. It is all about the ability to empathize, have lots of patience and not to expect anything in return. However, it does take a toll on a person, especially when the team members are young and impressionable. It is very important to identify the signs of caregiver burnout early on so that it can be addressed quickly.
Due to the current pandemic, staying inside the Epoch homes 24/7, clubbed with restrictions on going out, also took a toll on our care team.
A critical approach and mindset is to understand that this is also the home to our caregivers along with our residents, and it is very important to ensure this thought process is reflected in the way we manage our team. Over the last couple of years, I have invested time in hand-holding and counseling them as much as we invest in formally training. It is important to establish open and transparent communication platforms within the organization. We need to make our team members truly feel supported, valued, heard and validated.
इपोक में टीम वर्क बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। यहाँ पे हम लोग आपस में मिलके काम करते हैं। जैसे कोई इमरजेंसी किसी स्टाफ को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो जाए तो स्टाफ नहीं है तो हम लोग आपस में मैनेज कर लेते हैं, इसलिए टीम वर्क बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। जैसे हम परिवार में एक साथ रहते हैं, एक दूसरे का ख्याल रखते हैं, वैसे ही हम इपोक में भी एक परिवार के जैसे रहते हैं। जितना हम रेजिडेंट्स का केयर करते हैं उतना ही हम लोग एक दूसरे का भी केयर करते हैं। यहाँ पे हम लोग अपने सीनियर्स के साथ बहुत कंफर्टेबल हैं। अपने कार्य से हटकर अगर जो हमारा कुछ दिल करता है, कुछ गेम खेलने का या कुछ पार्टी करने का या कुछ अदर कुछ करने का, तो हम जाके अपने सीनियर से कहते हैं। सीनियर हमारा उस चीज़ को अरेंज करता है और हम लोग एंजॉय करते हैं।
At Epoch, we have employee wellness programs under which we schedule various activities like cooking competitions, art competitions, sack racing and many more to help our team members unwind as well as bond with each other. For us, a happy workforce is a caring workforce. For their happiness, it is crucial to ensure that all our support staff feel we are always there to listen and support them.